What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace, and we're going to be conversing today. This is a braidless style. It's super duper easy. It cost me $20 to do, and it's going to last me probably about 2 weeks. If you're interested in this hair, keep watching this video. I started off with clean, dry hair, Blue Magic hair grease, which I love, a curl mousse as well as a detangler, small rubber bands, and a comb, and 2 big clamps to hold my hair back. I had already oiled my hair, but I put a little more grease on it. I know people don't use grease these days, but I still do, and I love it. I separated the front of my hair from the back, the part that I wanted to be up and the part that I wanted to be down. And with my detangler, I go in the back and just make sure everything is detangled so I can separate it and do some plaits in a few different sections. I think in all I had 6 plaits, maybe 7. I did my sections kind of small because I wanted my hair to lay pretty flat, and since my hair is natural now, it gets puffy really fast. If you cannot plait, you can absolutely twist your hair down. And on some of these plaits, when I got to the bottom of the plait, I just did a small twist. It works well either way. And on the end, I secured it with a rubber band just to make sure that the plait did not come undone. Once I was done with all the plaits in the back, I used bobby pins just to pin them down, keep everything in one spot. So when I got ready to put the hair on top, none of my plaits popped out. Here's the hair. It is Ringlet wand curl hair in the color 1B. They didn't have a color 2, so I just got the 1B. Here's my latch hook, which was probably like $1, and I purchased it a long time ago. I am taking the pieces out of the pack now and separating them in 2. The reason why I do this in the back is because I want it to be pretty full, and when I leave it in one piece, it is not as fluffy as I want it to be. So I insert the latch hook, I put the hair on, and I close the hook. I pull the hair through, and then I loop it 2 times. 2 times, make sure that it does not like loosen or come undone while it's in my hair. And I do this all over the back of my hair. Now this gel, I don't use a whole lot of it. I really use my curl mousse the most, and I try to lay down the front as good as possible. I do use a lot of the mousse to make it kind of wet, and then I use the brush to brush it up into one section, and then I put 2 rubber bands on it. After that, I make sure I tie down the front of my hair. When I'm working with the synthetic hair, when it rubs up against the front of my hair, it kind of makes it look fuzzy, so I like to tie my hair down while I am working with the bun on the top. Then I separate this top into 2 pieces, and I just twist all the way down, and then I wrap that twist around to make a bun. So I start putting in the hair. I do it through the front of the bun as well as on each side, behind it, and through the top of it. I'm using about a half pack of hair in the bun, and then I have a full pack of hair in the back. There's really no rhyme or reason here. I do some invisible knots and some the full way. It doesn't really matter because it's not going to show. It's going to kind of all blend in. Once I've gotten to the point where I have put in a half pack of hair, I pull it all up and put another rubber band on it. This is rubber band number 5 and 6. I just want to make sure it does not come undone when I'm at work, when I'm at home, when I'm sleeping, or whenever. And there you have it, a cute half up, half down style. Every hair outlet has ringlet wand curl hair. I have not been on any website that sells hair that does not have this hair. I'll leave a picture of this hair here just so you know exactly what it looks like, but I also have a full walkthrough of how to install a full head of this hair if that's what you want to do. So I'll put the link to that right here, as well as in the description box. And let me know if you try this hair. Let me know if you try this makeup. And until next time, y'all have a good day.